Get out of there. Get on, Gavin. Gavin, get off the wheelbarrow. Are you stuck? You're stuck? Can you not get off? Gavin, can you get off? Do you need some help? You need help? You need help? Say help me.
Help me.
Rocky, you want to help him?
Help me.
Should we help him? You want help?
Attack.
You can't get off of there, really? You can't get off?
Attack. Attack.
Gavin, are you serious? You can't get off?
You're stuck.
Attack.
Here, get your nose.
Attack.
Yeah, you're stuck all right. There. Don't get up there again.
Yeah, don't get up there again.
Uncle Bobby.
No, that's not where you sit. You don't sit there.
Here.
Yeah, sit right there.